Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy one-pan lasagna. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by setting our deep pan over medium-high heat. Once it's nice and hot, add 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Just going to begin to break it down. And here we're going to season it with 2 teaspoons each of black pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, oregano, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of basil, chili flakes, and salt to taste. Okay, just continue mixing it and allow the meat to brown. Okay, once our meat browns, add half an onion, 4 minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. Just mix it and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix it and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Okay, after 2 minutes, add 7.4 ounces of tomato sauce, along with 56 ounces of crushed tomatoes and 2 cups of water. Okay, we're just going to mix it all together. And because I like to balance the acidity from the tomatoes, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of sugar. Okay, just mix it and bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, here you're going to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, we're going to break our pasta and add it into the sauce. Okay, you just want to make sure that all of your pasta gets coated with the sauce. And now we're just going to allow it to continue cooking for another 15 to 18 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 to 18 minutes, your noodles should have softened. So now we're going to get ready to top it with some ricotta cheese. Okay, so just add your little spoonfuls. Okay, and here we're going to top it with some Parmesan cheese. And of course, our mozzarella cheese. Okay, now we're just going to cover it and allow that cheese to melt. Alright guys, and after a few minutes, our cheese should have melted. At this point, our lasagna is done, so I'm just going to turn it off. Okay, I'm just going to garnish with some fresh parsley. Give it a few minutes before we get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and after 5 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This lasagna here is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so flavorful. And of course, you can always make it easier by using store-bought marinara sauce. But let me tell you that making it like this, it's honestly the best. And it's perfect right now that your kids are home and they're always looking for something good to eat. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Every bite, it's so perfect. It's cheesy, meaty, saucy. It's honestly so good. And if you want to see more recipes like this, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you guys on the next one.